Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, update the game and controller firmware, then pick a base sensitivity profile that matches your playstyle. You should set a small thumbstick dead zone around 0, 0.5 to 0, 15 to reduce stick drift without killing micro adjustments. Once done, lock in the same profile across characters and avoid switching mid-session, because consistency trains your muscle memory and reveals which specific settings still need tuning. You now fine-tune sensitivities, reduce horizontal and vertical sliders by 1 to 2 increments, and immediately test in a controlled match or training room. Make sure aim assist smoothing is on and set ramping to medium so targets stay predictable. This helps you track moving opponents without overcorrection. Once you make a change, run short 10-15 minute aim drills to see how muscle memory adapts, and iterate until crosshair movement feels both stable and responsive. You finish by locking in settings and warming up with 3 to 5 casual or training matches to cement the new feel. If you still see jitter or drift, increase the dead zone slightly or run controller calibration to remove hardware noise. Make sure to test across different maps and character movement speeds to confirm consistency, and if problems persist, swap controllers or check for background input devices. These steps isolate whether the issue is settings, hardware, or environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.